which you already have. You already walk in the office of a prophet, but God's going to put an apostolic ministry of the apostleship to where you're going to burn with fire continuously, and that fire will never go out. But God says you're going to start speaking even more accurate in the gifts, more accurate in the word of knowledge, in the word of wisdom. And God says that your gifts will be received. And God says God will cause people to sow and give into your bosom. God says, I'm raising you up at this hour. It's at this time and this hour that you're going to go forth and fulfill all that God has ordained and set before you. There's a charge, there's a mandate to which you must walk in. Even as Paul begins to encourage Timothy, it's the same way I want to encourage you today. And as the men of God come, God says you're going to even be one of the ones that are going to raise up women as leaders. And God says you're going to take the forefront and you're not afraid to step out and be a pioneer. But you're going to pioneer for Jesus. And you're going to break new ground and new territory. And God's going to increase you and He's going to enlarge you. And He's getting ready to stretch your capacity in faith so you can receive more of Him. Because where you're going, God says you're raising up a people. And God said, I'm going to give you people that you're going to minister to. And they're going to be just like you, saith the Lord. But this says the apostles' appointment. It says certified.